So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about jobs in Google for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video we are going to discuss about eligibility, how to apply and the interview related questions and answers, and very importantly I am going to give you some resume tips that you should apply for applying in Google, otherwise your chances for selection will be very less. So please watch this video till the end, and before starting this video please do like this video to support my channel. So let's start with the first opening, which is for the role of project management in Google. Here you need to have a bachelor's degree, but if you are a final year graduate also you can apply if you can start working on this position from September 2021. You need to have good knowledge of Excel as well as Word. So for Excel I've already created a video, you should watch that video. You need to have good communication skills and analytical skills. Now what will be the job description? Here you will be have to coordinate internal resources for flawless execution of projects, share relevant documentations and reports with project teams. So you will have to do a lot of work on Microsoft Word and Excel, provide information and regular support to stakeholders, ensure thorough project documentation, creating and reviewing reports. So this is a simple job. It is a non-technical role, so any bachelor's degree can apply for this. Now the interview rounds, first round will be manager interview. They can ask you some project related or analytical questions. No technical questions will be there. And round 2 will be the googliness. So I will also explain you in this video what is this googliness round and what do they check in this round. So the salary for this role can be around 3 to 5 LP. So regarding the interview questions, they will ask first of all about yourself, what subjects you have learned in college. This is very important because this is a job role for freshers and experience, but you should not have more than 1 year of experience if you are applying for this job role. So they are not looking for highly experienced people. So they will ask about your college subjects that you should be thorough with, about your interest, your college project from start to finish. So you should again be thorough with your college project. I have many times told you how to explain about it. Your accomplishments in school and college, this also matters a lot in Google, and your knowledge of MS Excel and Word. So these kind of questions can be there, and they can also ask you why Google. That I have already explained in my previous video regarding Google jobs, so you can watch that video. So this was about the round 1 interview for project management. Now round 2, googliness. So what is this googliness? So why whenever you go for interview in Google, they will definitely check your googliness. So what this means is they will check your honesty and kindness. So they only want to hire these kind of people who, they will check it by your interaction with people, your answers, and how transparent you are in your answers. Your positivity of words. As an example, you are calling a mistake a learning opportunity. So these kind of things matter. Your political correctness, how ethical and respectful you are to others. Show that you also have to show that you are fun loving yet hardworking. So the manner in which you will talk and some examples that you can give that you are fun living and hardworking at the same time, that will be really helpful to you. You can show that you are a risk taker. So so something that you have done out of the box or that involved a lot of risk, that could be personal or professional or in college, whatever you can explain. Like if you uh, you know started your own company for some time but it failed for some reason, that is considered positive in Google, because here you must have learned a lot of things. How caring and helpful you are, how you positively respond to ambiguity or uncertainty, that is also very important. And lastly, high EQ, it is your emotional quotient. These kind of things they will check in googliness. So they will not ask direct questions, but from your words you should reflect these qualities, then only they will hire you. Now the other role that I want to discuss is data analysis, and in the end I am also going to give you resume tips, so be there in the video. Now here again, bachelor's degree or final year can apply if they can join from September 2021. You need to have good skills in Excel, so MS Word is not that much required here. Good communication and good analytical skills. Now here you will have to access data accurately and identify anomalies. Create documents for knowledge sharing. Use data to quantify the business impact of Google media recommendations. Conduct custom analysis to uncover industry insights for Google's customers. So it will be merely a data analysis kind of role. Again, manager interview will be there, round one. Analytical questions will be asked in this definitely. No technical questions are usually asked. Again, round two is googliness that I've already explained you. Similar type of questions will be there. Salary is same between 3 to 5 LP. So interview questions here could be again about yourself, your college subjects, your interest. And in this round, they can ask you some analytical questions like how many Ola or Uber taxis are there in Hyderabad. So this is one example I am giving you. So here there is no correct answer. You have to predict it. So the way you predict it and the reasons that you use will matter. And then your accomplishments in school and college, your knowledge of MX Excel, and are you willing to learn SQL and Tableau? These will be required. So they don't want a person to, already have knowledge of this. Of course, if you have, that is positive, but even if you don't have and you are willing to learn about it, that is okay. But at least you should be knowing what these languages are. So go through their definitions. Now I am going to give you some resume making tips for applying in Google, because for these positions quite a lot of opportunities are there, so many people will apply. So to stand out, you should take care of certain things. Don't make a long resume, try to make it to one page or maximum two page. Highlight your college projects and internships if you have any. Use power words for leadership skills, communication skills, analytical skills, and achievements. So, in one of my videos that was uploaded last week, I have shown these power words for leadership skills, communication skills, and these kind of skills that you should have in your resume. So, for applying in Google, you should have this. So, I'm giving the link of that video in the description box. If you are serious about this position, you should definitely watch that video, and then highlight your skills mentioned in the job description if you have them. So you can copy the skills mentioned in the job description in resume, but you should have examples to back it up. Now I'll show you how you can apply. So this is the role: project management apprenticeship. So see, usually apprenticeship is for 20 months in Google, but it can be converted to full-time opportunity also. So that is not an issue. So you can read about it, consider it as a full-time job only, and then go to apply. And then it will prompt you to log in through your Gmail ID. Once you will log in, this will come. So here you will have to select your resume, enter your contact details, pretty simple name and phone number, address, these kind of things. Attended university degree program, so you should have university degree program for this. So yes. Are you applying for first job? So yes or no, whatever you can choose. If you are applying for first job, then also it is okay. If no, then it will ask about your previous job, but your experience should not be more than 1 year. And then next, and you will be able to apply through this. Similarly, for data analytics role, you can apply, you can go through this and apply. And if you have any questions, then you can also, write them or read the question answer that they have given to frequently asked questions by going here. So you can go here and read about these questions that they have mentioned here, the answers of these questions. So this was about this opening in Google. So I hope it would have been really helpful for you and you will use my tips to apply for this role. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to have more such openings in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.